Have you ever stopped to think about how much financial information is sitting on your phone in the Venmo app? We use it for everything: splitting dinner, paying rent, sending cash to family. It's super convenient. But that convenience comes with a catch. It makes your account a prime target. The truth is, Venmo's default settings aren't designed for maximum security. They're designed for maximum social interaction. If I can see who you paid and for what, so can scammers. I know because I've spent time locking down my own account, and you should too. So, let's get straight to the essential security tools you need to be using right now. These aren't complex, they're built right into the app. 1. The security baseline, PIN and biometrics. First up, the absolute basics of physical security. If someone grabs your unlocked phone, they can open Venmo and drain your balance in seconds. That's why you have to enable the in-app lock. I set mine up the minute I installed the app. What to do? Go into your settings, find the Face ID and PIN or passcode and biometric unlock option. The benefit: this requires your Face ID, Touch ID, or a specific PIN before the app will even open. It's an extra, immediate layer of defense that stops unauthorized access even if your phone itself is unlocked. Don't skip this, it's your first line of defense. 2. The digital gatekeeper, multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is the non-negotiable step for all your financial apps, including Venmo. If a hacker manages to steal your password, MFA is what stops them cold. What to do? In Settings, look for the Security section and enable multi-factor authentication. The benefit: when you log in from a new device, Venmo will send a one-time verification code to your registered phone number or email. You need both your password and that code to get in. Trust me, it's a minor inconvenience for you, but it's a massive roadblock for a scammer. 3. The Privacy Shield, changing your default transaction setting. This is the big one where Venmo fails on default security. Did you know every payment you make is public by default? Your friend sent you money for pizza and beer is visible to everyone on the internet. This creates a digital trail that hackers can use to build a profile on you and craft highly convincing phishing scams. I keep everything on lockdown. What to do? Go to Settings, then Privacy. Change your default setting from public to private. The benefit: only you and the recipient can see the transaction. You need to do this for all future payments, and while you're there, look for the option to change the privacy for past transactions as well. Wipe that public history clean. 4. The money strategy, don't hold the balance. Venmo isn't a bank account. It's a transit account. Unlike a bank, funds stored only in your Venmo balance are generally not FDIC insured. If your account gets compromised or locked, that money is at risk. What to do? After you receive money, immediately transfer it out to your linked bank account. The benefit: you minimize the amount of money a fraudster could access if they gained control of your Venmo. Use it to send and receive, but don't use it for storage. Applying these 4 tools takes less than 5 minutes, and it dramatically changes your Venmo account from an easy target to a secure fortress. In today's digital world, you have to be proactive about your financial safety. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.